Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word dubbed. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The animated movie was originally in Japanese, but was dubbed into English for an international audience. Dubbed in this context means to re-record or replace the original voice or soundtrack of a film with a different language or version for a new audience. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.